How to access and manage files on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Files app and find your documents, downloads, and more. First, go to your app library or home screen and open the Files app. Once inside, you'll land on the Recents tab, where you can quickly access files you've recently opened or edited. Next, tap Browse at the bottom. Here you'll find different storage locations, including iCloud Drive, On My iPhone, Downloads, and Recently Deleted. You can tap any folder to view and manage your files. To organize files, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner. From here, you can create new folders, sort files, change the view layout, and more. You can also scan documents directly from the Files app by tapping the menu and selecting Scan Documents. If you use cloud storage services, you may also see options to connect and access those files from the same app. And that's how to use the Files app on iPhone to manage documents, downloads, and folders. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and guides.